Okay, now here we need to find AOD, that means this angle, right? This angle, AOD angle in term of x, right? That means in your answer must have x. That means it can be x over 2, 2x like that, somehow x. Anyway, now I think you know that thing, right? Anyway, now you can see here this is x, no? And also this line and this line equal. Yeah, it not look like equal, but you have to think has equal because they give has data these two equal, and also they tell diagram is not to scale. Okay, now OC CB equal, no? That means this is isosceles triangle. OCB mean this is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle mean, now when we have two sides equal in a triangle, opposite angle also equal. This angle will be equal to this angle, right? These are the equal side. Opposite angle of that both side, this angle also will be equal. Now if this is x, you can name this also as x, right? And also you need to know this also. I will draw that roughly. Now when you have like this way, in a triangle, one side if you extend it like this way, right? This is not a straight line, but try to understand. Now if I extended one side like this way, this exterior angle, this angle will be equal to interior opposite angle, that means this two, right? When you add these two, it will be equal to this. Now that means if this is 20, if this is 30, this will be 50, right? Try to understand. In a triangle, if you extended one side, right, it will make a exterior angle, no? This exterior angle will be equal to interior angle, not the closest one, the other two, right? These two add. When you add these two, it will be equal to this exterior angle. You have learned this. Try to remember that. This exterior angle will be equal to interior opposite angle. That means if here 20, here 30, this will be 50. It's like that. Now in here also, now we know here x, here x. This is the exterior angle of that triangle. That means OCB, this triangle, extended, no, this side, it like extended. So this angle will be equal this plus this. That means x plus x. So here will be 2x. Try to understand that. X plus x mean 2x, no? So this angle plus this angle will be equal to this one, this exterior angle, right? Okay. Again, OC will be equal to OD because these are radius of same circle. That's the reason OC will be equal to OD. What the reason? Same, what the radius of same circle. So if this is 2x, like here, in isosceles triangle, opposite angle of equal side, that means these two side equal. This we already told, no, the x, and here also x. Same way, this also again isosceles triangle, no? ODC mean isosceles triangle. That means here OC and OD equal. So OC, OD opposite angle are what, right? What are the opposite angle of OC and OD? Now this side opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one. If this is 2x, this also will be 2x. Try to understand, right? Now this is little bit long method, but that the method come to my mind, so I will try to explain that way. Here I need to get this angle, right, in term of x. So I can tell, how I can tell this one? I can tell this way. If I put here a, for example here a, I can write now a plus 2x plus 2x equal to 180, right? That means interior angle of ODC triangle. This plus this should be 180. So here I need to get a. So I will bring this 2x plus 2x, that means 4x. 4x bring to here, right? So that means here will be minus 4x. Okay. Now I got a in term of x, right? A mean 180 minus 4x. Like that I can write what the a. This angle will be 180 minus 4x. Okay. But we need this angle, right? AOD. So finally we can write this complete this one. This is angle on a straight line, right? That means x plus a plus this will be 180 again. So I can write what the AOD, what they ask from us. AOD angle plus, that means this angle, plus A plus this X will be equal to 180. Right. Now A is what? Here A we got know already. A mean 180 minus 4x. So AOD, this is the angle we need to find. A mean I can replace with this. 180 minus 4x, and here plus x will be equal to 180. Try to understand. Here I use this plus this plus this. Angle on a straight line. If you need the reason, you can write here angle on a straight line. Okay, now here let's try to simplify. AOD here plus 180 minus 4x plus x mean here like different these are like terms, no? You can simplify here minus 4 plus 1. You can think like that. Here plus x mean plus 1. So different sign, you have to put the bigger one sign and get the different. Bigger one mean without consider the sign, what is the bigger, that one sign, and subtract. 4 minus 1 mean 3. So here will be 3x and here 180. Okay, finally now we need AOD, no? So write AOD, bring these two terms to other side. So 180 here already was 180, no? This 180 when I bring to here, it will be minus 180, and when I bring this minus 3x to this side, it will be plus 3x. Right? Okay, now what the answer for AOD? Right? 180 minus 180 means 0. It will be gone. So here just remain 3x. Okay. Now this is the answer for AOD. We give it in term of x. So AOD equal 3x. Try to understand how I come to this way. Maybe there's a easy way than this, sometime quick, but this is the method come to my mind. I did with that. Same way, when you go to exam hall, if you need to do this type of question, if you got a method, don't try to find again whether there are any other method easy than this or quick than this. What the method come to your mind, try to do with that if that is correct, right? Because it will be time consuming than you think. So that's the best. What method come to your mind, if it is correct, if you have confidence, do with that method. Okay, now here AOD in term of x, it is 3x.